Welcome to Mark Media. Hi, kids. Hello. We got this brand new Dancer DUPLO set.
Yay! Is that the brand new Jurassic World Lego DUPLO set?
Yeah.
Cool. What does it come with?
It comes with the dinosaurs.
Cool. There's a Triceratops and a long neck. What else does it come with? Comes with 2 dinosaurs and a little boy. Very cool.
And it goes with the camera. See,
And there it is, put together.
This is a yellow dinosaur. This is a blue dinosaur. And this is a little boy.
What is he doing?
He's taking the pictures of dinosaurs.
Oh look, there's a swing here. Whee! Oh, I fell.
I don't like swingers because I'm too big.
Look, wee 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 wee.
I'm on Tonic. I eat trees. See, I eat them.
Oh yeah.
I eat trees all the day because I have a tall neck. Tallest one. Hey, I got out of the cage. Help! Help! Put me back in this cage.
Hey, are you a friendly dinosaur? Can I take your picture, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hey, Mr. Triceratops up there. Can I take your picture too?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Hey, I got their picture. I got your picture. Woohoo! Can I pet you guys?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so nice, dinosaur. Oh, you got a very long neck, mister. Oh, so nice.
Uh-oh, that door's closing.
Is this where you guys live?
Yeah.
Is this your home?
Yeah, this is my home.
Are you guys best friends?
Yeah.
Where's your mommy and daddy?
Huh? Mommy and daddy?
Do you have a mommy and daddy?
They go to work.
Oh,
Is that funny?
okay. Yeah.
Hey, can you take a picture in here with the dinosaurs?
Okay. Let me take a picture of you guys. Cool. I got your guys' picture. Thank you very much.
Yay!
You guys are so friendly. Bye. That was a nice little kid, huh?
Yeah.
I'm tired. I think I'm gonna take a little nap, okay?
I'm going to take a little nap right here.
Okay. Oh, hold on. My bed keeps falling. Because I'm so heavy. There we go.
That was a loud noise.
Hey, what was that noise?
It was Mark Jr.
Marek Jr.? Hey! Marek Jr., I'm trying to sleep here, buddy. Can you keep it down, please?
I'm gonna wake you up again.
No, don't wake me up! Hey! You think that's pretty funny, huh?
No, it's not
You
pretty
think
funny.
that's pretty funny, little boy?
Yeah, that's pretty funny, baby. Are you a baby or kid?
I'm a kid. You're a baby.
No.
I'm a little kid. Hey!
I got a tall neck. I can reach.
What do you think of your brand new Jurassic World dinosaur set?
I think it's pretty cool.
You like it?
Yeah. I'm gonna put you up in the tree. Bye, kids. Thank you for playing with me. Please for watching. Please subscribe.